and then the governor, and then we'll also give the peers. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Millie. We have nothing much to say. As Honorable Millie has confirmed, we have lost our colleague, Honorable Ong'ondo Were, the Member of Parliament for Kasipul. And we would like to take this opportunity to condole with the family of Honorable Ong'ondo Were. We were with him today in Parliament, as she said, the whole afternoon, and he left, I think, barely 30 minutes before he met his death. So we would like to ask the police to investigate this matter thoroughly and share with Kenyans as fast as possible what happened to our colleague, Honorable Ong'ondo Were. Lastly, I would like also to condole with the family and convey message of condolences from our party, the ODM party. Our party leader was here with us. He just went home. He was with us in the hospital here, and he has also conveyed his condolence message. And we would like to ask the family, God to stand with them at the moment. Thank you very much.
It's an extremely sad evening for the people of Homa Bay County and the people of